Supreme Indo Green PPR hot and cold water plumbing system, the most reliable plumbing system. PPR is one of the most reliable systems for hot and cold water distribution. Supreme offers PPR system under the brand name Indo Green. It is designed to meet different plumbing and industrial applications. Supreme Indo Green is absolutely free from corrosion and negative biological effects and does not break down even under the harshest water conditions. Thus, the quality of water never deteriorates. Its well-balanced mechanical properties, superior heat and chemical resistance at elevated temperature, high impact strength and scale-free nature makes it an ideal choice over alternative products. Because of its outstanding material properties, PPR is in use for more than 30 years in Europe and many other quality-conscious countries. Some of the innovative and unique features that distinguish Indo Green PPR from similar products available in the market is quality conformity with European and international standards, use of PPR Type 3 body code certified raw material from reputed European suppliers, approved and listed by VARS UK and endorsed with the most reputed DVGW certification Germany, signifying its quality, performance and suitability for potable water application. Long life with minimum 50 years of trouble-free performance. Product range. Indo Green PPR pipes and fittings are manufactured according to IS 15801 and ISO 15874 respectively. Supreme indigenously manufactures a complete range of pipes and fittings up to 160 mm sizes with necessary heating tools and accessories to make the system complete in all respect. Fields of application. PPR can be used for residential, industrial, commercial and public projects for temperature ranging from -5 to 95 degrees Celsius. Hot and cold water supply in process industries like dairies, sugar factories, oil mills, tanneries, etc. Solar heater applications, drinking water and liquid foods, watering systems for greenhouses and gardens, transportation of aggressive fluids, water purifying plants, radiator heating, air distribution and compressed air systems, chilled water and air conditioning. PPR pipes and fittings are joined by fusion welding using polyfusion device. Joints formed by fusion process give homogeneous, integral and long-lasting watertight joints. Thus, extensive saving in time and labor is possible. Polyfusion welding, jointing procedure. Now, let us see the fusion welding procedure. Cutting. Cut the pipe square to the required length using cutter. Debar the cut ends if necessary. Cleaning. Prior welding, the pipe and fitting should be dry and clean. Marking. Mark the required socket insertion depth on the pipe. Heating. Ensure the polyfusion device is hot enough, that is 260 to 270 degrees Celsius for welding. The first weld can be made after 5 minutes when heating light goes off. Heat the pipe and fitting as per the recommended heating time. The heating time starts when the pipe and fitting has been pushed into the correct welding depth of the matrices. While heating, apply slight pressure from both sides. Welding. After the specified heating time, remove the pipe and fitting out of the matrices. The heated end of the pipe should be pushed into the fitting to the previously marked depth. Do not turn or twist the pipe or fitting while pushing into the matrices and pulling out from the matrices, and also while pushing pipe into the fitting. Cooling. After the specified cooling time, the joint is ready. Concealed work. While doing concealed bathroom work, it is easier to make the required pipe network on the floor. To avoid misalignment, guiding marks on the pipes and fittings should be referred. Hole repairing. A small hole formed on the outer surface due to nailing or drilling in concealed pipe can be easily repaired using hole repairing plug. Procedure for hole repair. Surfaces to be welded should be clean and dry. Make a hole where the pipe has been damaged. The size of the hole should be 1 mm lesser than that of the hole repairing plug. Proceed to the normal fusion. Heat the two parts for 5 seconds with proper positioning of the repairing plug to match with the thickness of the pipe. Insert the heated repair plug into the heated hole. Cut the extra portion of the plug after the cooling time. After an hour, the pipe should be pressure tested at normal pressure. Flange adapter joint. Make the pipe connection with the flange adapter as per the standard polyfusion welding procedure. Place the correct size of rubber gasket between the assemblies of flange adapter. Tighten the assemblies using nut bolts. All bolts must be equally tightened to balance the joint. Thus, Indo Green PPR is the safest and ideal system for any hot and cold water application and can be looked as the superior substitute to the existing products.